Hey guys, what's up? Avery here in another video on how to forward the GoDaddy domain name to your Kalatu blogging system. Now, I already made a video on domain forwarding to capture page about a week ago, but in this video I'm going to show you specifically how to forward the domain name that you purchased on GoDaddy to a Kalatu blogging system. Now, the Kalatu blog is actually a WordPress blog, only in the Kalatu blog you don't need to worry about buying some web hosting or domain name and all this stuff. You don't need to worry about technical stuff in general. And I personally love using this blog because in addition it ranks relatively high on Google search results, as I already demonstrated and showed you on one of my videos. Now, as you can see, we're on the GoDaddy homepage, and what we're gonna do now is log in into my account. Now, on domains, of course, we're going to click on Manage. Now, let's assume that you purchased this domain name to be forwarded to your new blog. So, what we're going to do now is clicking on it. And in this page, we're going to click on Manage, which is under Forwarding. And here in the new window, you click Add or Update Forwarding. Now, of course, you're essentially putting the domain that you have purchased. In our case, we're going to use this domain name just for the purpose of this video. We're going to remove the HTTP, of course, and we're gonna leave this field blank. And then you click Save. Of course, it's just an example, so I'm not going to save it. Now, what we're going to do now is going here to DNS zone file. Now, let's go to CNAME, and in this part we need to remove this record, okay, the third one. So what we need to do is click in here, delete record, because we need to delete this record and put a new one instead. And again, I'm not going to delete it. So I'm just showing you guys what you need to do, okay? And then after deleting this record, all you need to do, actually you're gonna see a red colored action bar around here that tells you to save changes, all right? And then after saving the changes, then we're going up here where it says zone file, and under that we're gonna click on Add Record. Now it's opening a new window in which we're going to select CNAME record, and here at host we're going to put www, and under points to we're going to put kalatu.com, and of course we're going to leave the TTL the same, and we save it. And this is it for part 1 for this video. Now on the second part, we need to do the domain mapping and forward it to our Kalatu blog. So what we need to do is go into our Kalatu dashboard. I'm going to click on my blog. Now in this field, you may want to put, however you want to name your site. The title and etc. So I'm just gonna put let's say test drive, just for example, and click create blog. Now let's wait a few seconds until it's processing. Alright, the blog was successfully created. So now the next step is going to my blogs again. And we're going to click on login into our new URL for our new blog. And this is essentially where we start to setting up our new blog. As the first step would be choosing what social media will be connected to your blog. Of course, you would choose them all, but I'll choose all of them, but anyway, let's skip this part. Of course, you can always change the setting later. So here, what we're going to do is choose the desirable title and name for our new blog. I'm just gonna put a new blog. That's it. Now let's click here on Start Blogging. So basically, now we're all set up. We're all set actually to start designing and setting up our new blog. So you can choose your theme, posting blog posts and all the stuff. Of course, you can use the tutorials that we have in this blogging system. We have plenty of them. So anyway, the last thing that we need to do is go into domain mapping. And in this last step that we need to do in this video is actually putting our new domain name in this field, which is in our case it's this one, and then we click on add, and that's pretty much it. This is it, folks. Anyway, thanks a lot for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. And of course, if you want to use this blogging system for your business and even make money from it by being an affiliate with the company, then of course go ahead and find the link below to take a 2 weeks trial with a company that is associated with this blogging system with no risk, of course. Anyway, thanks a lot, and I'll see you guys soon.